Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable vibration from miscellaneous notifications in the Gmail app. If your phone keeps buzzing for small updates that don't really matter, this quick setting adjustment will help you keep things quiet and focused. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you can control how notifications, sounds, and apps behave on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone, including Gmail. Once you're there, locate Gmail and tap on it to open the app's specific settings. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification categories that Gmail uses, like New Mail, Chat, or Miscellaneous Alerts. Each one can be customized so you can choose exactly what you want to be notified about and how. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This menu shows a detailed list of all Gmail notification types available on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Miscellaneous. Tap on Miscellaneous and you'll notice several notification settings inside. One of these options is Vibrate, and this is the one we're adjusting today. Simply toggle Vibrate to the off position. Once this switch is off, Gmail will stop vibrating from miscellaneous alerts while still allowing other notifications, like new emails, to function normally if you've set them to stay on. That's all it takes. You've now successfully turned off vibration for miscellaneous notifications in Gmail. This small change can make a big difference if you want fewer distractions while keeping your phone's alerts more organized. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more updated tutorials that make managing your apps simpler and smoother. Thanks for watching.